Hello everyone, this is my straight to the point review of this titanium wok. This pan measures 13 inches in diameter. It's quite large. It comes with the lid and it's made with a German chef's design for your best chef experience. And before we put it to the test, I just wanted to say that it is wear resistant and it's good for all stove types. Also, it's induction safe, it's dishwasher and oven safe. And right now we are going to make chicken fried rice. So I want to put a little bit of oil to fry the chicken. You want to heat it at medium to high heat. And as you can see, the meat is getting nice and golden and it's not sticking to the pan, which is amazing. And right now we are going to add our veggies. And give it a good mix. Add some sesame seed oil and mix it. Now add your rice. Give it one last mix and garnish with some green onions. Overall, this is a great titanium wok. The results speak for themselves. It's super easy to use and I would highly recommend it.